Hello viewers, and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars and the home of world-class cars, including this incredible Bentley Mulsanne 2015 Mulliner. Special order, custom paintwork from Bentley, custom wheels. You'll never see a car like it again. Only 25,000 kilometres. Still like brand new, rear entertainment, got every option. Look at that magnificent vehicle from every angle. Looks incredible. The presence is something to behold. A car that was close to $1 million is going to be under $270,000 only at the home of beautiful cars. We do finance, Australia-wide delivery, world-class Bentley Mulsanne Mulliner, one of one. Oh my goodness, look at that. Incredible, magnificent, could be yours.